Hello guys, so in this section we'll be talking about how to create Flutterwave account. So we'll be creating Flutterwave account so that we can add Flutterwave to our website. Use some Flutterwave APIs to connect it to our website and other stuff like that. If you're using WordPress, there's a Flutterwave plugin you can use on WordPress that can automatically connect to your Flutterwave dashboard after you have created your account and your account is approved and verified. Okay, so let's just dive straight into Flutterwave. So I will just hit Flutterwave, and this is flutterwave.com. Follow this, then click on sign up. So click on sign in. So if you have an account, go ahead and sign in. If you don't have an account, create an account. So create an account, input your country. If you are from Nigeria, select Nigeria. From other country, select that country. Then select full name. Then select full name. I say DST technology, and then I will select the email of this. Then DST technology, the file code. Then I will select my password. Right. So there must be a symbol, which means if you are creating your password right here, you should be creating something like testing. You should use hash or and or dollar like that. Then you select 1, 2, 3. This is how your password must be. Now let's look at it. This does not accept the one that I typed before. Now it says more contain a lowercase, which means if I am using this, I should have something like testing in a lowercase like this. So it should be testing like this, then save it, then it can accept it. So this is what we are going to be doing. So this is the kind of password we're going to be using. So I will not refill the password, but then go ahead and create your own password to have this combination. Make sure you save it. Now that I've created my account, it will tell me to go to my email. Let's go back to our email as usual. Refresh, Flutterwave making, and confirm your email address. Hit this confirm button, and Flutterwave account will be activated for ya. So after that, so remember what we did with Paystack in our previous video. We can do the same thing for this one as well. So if you have a registered business account, you can go ahead with business account. If you do not have a registered business account with government, go with individual accounts, right? So this does not require you to submit any documents like all this CAC document, all this your government document, and so on like that. Then individual accounts, continue. So to create a store to sell my products, that's what I'm doing. If you want to collect payment on my website, okay, so I will just select this to collect payment on my website because I want to use Flutterwave on my website. So I will just click on that. Then I will click on continue. Then it will take me to my page. I have done this already. So to add extra layer security to your page, you can enable to heavy, but for now it's not needed. So right now we have created our account. Now but our account is in text mode. So which means we need to submit our information, right? So that we can, just like the way we did with Paystack, we submit our information, we fill our details and submit it for Flutterwave to approve. So click on this get started, provide information, click on get started. Then after that you see sign signature, agree, merchant agreed. So after that, so you select your bank name. I have Access Bank. So you input your BVN, you save and continue. So let's say, okay, so in this section I will just, okay, let me use I know this offhand. me use my Sterling Bank. Okay, so Sterling Bank, use this. Right, so BVN, put a BVN code, save and continue. Right, so bank information is added successfully. So what's our trading name? BST Technology. Now in your own case, make sure you add your BVN, your original, your real BVN. You know, I just add 30,000. That's the demo. They will not approve this account like that. I have, so I don't want people to see my BVN. So now I will just, in your own case, input your own real BVN. So right now I will be inputting my number again. So putting this number 09506. Okay, so verify your phone number. So an OTP will be sent to your phone number that you're using to create this account, and you wait for the OTP to come on your phone, and then you input the OTP. So after you receive the OTP, you can now confirm your account, right? So support email, put your email address, support number, copy your number, what is business category you have, education, business we teach digital skills for Africans. So input your website, bsttechnology.com.ng. Estimated monthly revenue, can put any amount of money you're earning every month. So we input this. We have sent another OTP again, so let's wait for the OTP to come. Input the OTP and I will confirm. So phone number is confirmed and verified, then it's next. So now that this is done, Nigeria physical address, select your address, state, Abuja FCT, then you input a driver's license, any documents you have, maybe national identity card or any document you have, input it, then save and continue. And after that is done, just continue. Click on continue in order to get waste much of our time. So prepare a valid government ID card, check your device camera, be prepared to take selfie and photos and blah 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 like that. So after that, you click on let's go, and then the system will click on allow for for your system to confirm your camera, and then after that is done, you will be automatically you'll be approved after some time. So that's just the only thing that remain. So after the whole thing, you will be approved. All right, so this is what you can do. This is how you can create your Flutterwave account. Remember, you need to enable your camera so that you can capture your ID card. And after capturing your ID card, you can now upload it, then click on save and then next. And after that, Flutter will approve your account. So I won't be able to be doing that because my documents are confidential. Okay, so use the document as a sample, and if you have any questions, you can ask me. You can drop me a message or comment below, and I will attend to your question. Right, so that is how you can do that. Now currently we are currently in test mode. You understand? So after all this thing is done, your account will be fully approved, and after your account is approved, then you can now go ahead using your Flutterwave account. So you can now connect it to your business. So currently now we are not So I'm logged out. Anyways, so okay, so we are still in test mode. That's because we have not completely accessed. So this is what I want to show. The other time it was showing something, right, like payment accept, and all. That's when you are live. But because this account has not been approved, once it is approved, you will see all your details, right, and then we can proceed to using the Flutterwave APIs, and then or using Flutterwave plugins on WordPress. So thank you for your time. I wish if you have any question, don't forget to DM me, send me a message, and I will respond. In our next class, we'll talk about how we can connect Paystack to our platform using the Paystack API, of course, and using Flutterwave APIs. Thank you. See you guys later.